Good morning, guys. We are here right now in Speedyfix once again. And if you watched yung previous video natin, we've actually unboxed the Yashio Factory OPF Delete exhaust. And ayan siya, nasa sahig. Because the guys here at Speedyfix are finally going to be installing it. And of course, we're gonna take a video of that para alam ninyo kung ano yung sound ng buong OPF back na exhaust. So yung Yashio Factory exhaust na nakabit na sa Yaris, full titanium din yun. So ayun, let's install it. First things first, guys, ito yung Yashio Factory na OPF Delete pipe. Ito yung one of the things that we will install today kay Project GR Yaris. So ito yung kamatch ng Yashio Factory na Super Silent Titan Muffler. Tapos yung ibang mga install natin today andito sa loob ng trunk. This is one of them. This is the rear view camera. Kasi as you know, the GR Yaris doesn't have a rear view camera, so sobrang hirap mag-back up. Wala rin siyang parking sensors. So kailangan natin to. And then apart from that, we have this. This is the auto lock module. So what this does is that pag nag 15 kilometers per hour ka, pwede mo siyang i-program na mag-auto lock na siya. Pwede rin parking brake. Pag binaba mo yung parking brake, sarili siya mag-auto lock. So ayun, let's proceed with the install.
Later.
So ayan na, guys, natanggal na nila yung OPF. So that one's the stock. Ito yung Yashio Factory na OPF Delete pipe. Mabigat nga. Oo, mabigat. Nakapasok. Thank you. Okay na, sige, kabit na natin tong ano. Oo. Yan na.
A few moments later.
So guys, hindi ko na video kanina kasi may mga kausap ako, pero nakabit na nila yung harness dito sa loob. So this is the camera that we will be using. Connection yung brand. My dad got this, he said it's from Japan, but I'm honestly not sure kung okay ba yung quality nito. Hello guys, Project GR Yaris is finally home. Yun, hindi ko na film lahat kanina, pero ayun, let me show you guys ano yung ginawa nila. So first off, meron na tayong reverse camera. Put this on reverse, like that. It's going to activate the rear view camera. Yan. So as you know, the GR Yaris doesn't have a stock reverse camera. And it's really hard to back up, especially if your rear windshield is that small. So ngayon, meron tayong rear view camera. Tapos, kinabit na rin natin yung Yashio Factory Titanium OPF Delete na pipe. I wasn't able to bring my weighing scale, pero siguro nasa around 3 to 5 pounds of weight saving yun. And apart from that, gumanda na rin yung tunog ng car. The sound clip will be at the end of this video, so don't leave just yet. And apart from that, we also installed the auto lock module for the GR Yaris. So now, whenever I go to around 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, the car will auto lock itself. Ayan na, you heard it? Nag-lock na siya. So another thing that the auto lock module does is that it also auto unlocks. So ngayon nakabukas yung car. If I turn it off, this is gonna unlock. So I'm gonna do that right now. See? So those are the new parts that we've just installed on Project GR Yaris, guys. And for some updates, you might be asking, what's next for Project GR Yaris? Well, I have to say, I honestly want to take it to the track first so that I can make a baseline run before we actually install something that's going to be increasing the power of the car. I won't spoil it, but you probably know what it is. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I posted on my IG stories before that Project GR Yaris got scratched. They scratched the car. So I have to bring this back to AG's. They're gonna fix it for free. So no problem, but yeah, it's just really hassle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was short but sweet because, you know, we have new parts. Sound clip of the exhaust is gonna be at the end of this video, so don't skip this video just yet. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.